queen, the one and only shopper queen. So guys, ngine-TV la iyasebenza ngithenge last year. Njengoba nibonile ukuthi ngiyarenovate i-butterfly. Angithini ngisho njalo. Asikho lapho. Nayindzaba nayi. Guys, sengisho ngiyakhipha tini ngifuna kufaka tini letinyuwane. Nayi TV le. Netafula naletafula leli. So guys, ngifuna mina ngithanza bomake kahle kahle. Ngifuna make lo nesidingo. Like maybe ungaba nabo 4 bantwana yabo. Make lo nesidingo. Sale TV le. Ngizoyi-deliver namuhla before the end of the day. So ngicela ukuthi ni-comment, ni-share maybe ukuze ngithole umuntu noma ningirecommendele umuntu lenimathi ukuthi nesidingo. Nayi TV iyadlala net ngoba ngeke ngiyiplug la ngaphandle. Natafula, this table is brand new. Bengithengele for kitchen lami, unfortunately kitchen sekugcwele. Nalenye tafula taphekela kuyo. So commentani deliver tonight, and then mase deliver ngoba labanye they will say hayi uneshow off nase deliver ngisho nge-end video ngathatha ama-picture kusisas on. So nayi TV iyasebenza i-right, just that mina ngifuna smart TV yabo plus queen angeke ngize ngibe ne-TV lencane ngayiphane ngani. Yes, okay, love you commentani lapho nzabami si on ngoba ngideliver la ngayiphane ngani